I made these planets. This is Mercury, this is Venus, this is Earth, this is Mars, this is Jupiter, this is Saturn, this is Uranus, this is Neptune. But today, I'm gonna finish off the sun. I just wanted to make it look a bit like the real sun. So I'm gonna make it a lot bigger with tin foil. The tin foil over here. Can you see it? Okay. So first, I ate a lot of tin foil. Cover it. Screwdriver, and you use the front, smash it down again, like this. You do this, and you smash it here, smash it here, smash it here, smash it here, like this, this. I think this video is a bit violent. And then now, you can see the solar system. This is the Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. And can you say it right after me in the video? Okay, and if you can say it, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, also, and the bell notification button. Then you will never miss another video of Dogomo.